It is better to have a lion at the head of an army of sheep than a sheep at the head of an army of lions. Expect nothing. And you'll always be surprised the soul is placed in the body like a rough diamond and it must be polished. Or the luster of it will never appear or discontent about had the want appeared tomato spring from the want. Of thankfulness for had the have enemies he always introduces a not her necessity makes an honest man acknowledge the misuse of material possessions. Often the surest path to the greatest misery friends are good if well chosen to be troubled in the trouble. Is to have your troubled necessity sharpens ingenuity, it doesn't matter from whence you come from by yourself there's never stop misery. Fear of danger is and thousand times more terrifying than danger itself when apparent to the eyes and we find the burden of anxiety greater. By mocht the evil were anxious about power in abundance always breeds strife here are many people who are calling out to punish the guilty. But very far concerned about slaughtering the innocent to die well had tomorrow we had to die we seek had tomorrow we shun. To die we desire had tomorrow we fear naive and tremble at the apprehensions it is never too late to be visit whose people can not comfortable enjoy had God has given them. Becauset heise and covet had he has not given them to commit foolishness is the lot of youth has the lot of people of mature age. Wisewit der Liboucht experience to condemn the restlessness of youth vice came in always at the door of necessity not at the door of inclination. Justice is always violence to the offending party for every man is innocent in his own eyes had truth on his side is a fool as well as a coward. If he is afraid to own it because of what her men's opinions laugh is but a hat hen word for power nature has left his tincture in the blood. All men would be tyrants if they told the height of human wisdom is to bring our tempers down to our circumstances and to make a calm with him. Under the weight of the greatest storm without it is very strong that men should be so fond of being wicked and their all wills are to be considered with the good that is in them and with had worse attempts them you should be giving a natco und of had was. Not of had oucht not to be not a very good scientist is capable of being at a herbecause the art of thinking has not hing to the with knowledge of the subject being studied. Not of had oucht not to be not a very good scientist is capable of being at a herbecause the art of thinking has not hing to the with knowledge of the subject being studied. Let great better out of evil but poverty in my opinion is a real trap the best of men cannot defend their fate the good die are the bad die late.